In the digital age, affiliate marketing stands as one of the most accessible routes to generating passive income. Welcome to our exploration of this intriguing model, where we demystify the path to earning without traditional constraints. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where businesses reward external partners, or affiliates, for driving traffic or sales through promotion. Imagine a web of interconnected partners, businesses looking to expand their reach, and creative individuals keen on spreading the word about products or services they believe in. This partnership is the essence of affiliate marketing. Now, how does it work? At its core, the process is straightforward. Affiliates use unique links to steer potential customers to a company's website. When someone clicks the link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. This model benefits both parties. Companies garner wider exposure and sales, while affiliates profit substantially with each successful referral. But how does one start as an affiliate marketer? First, selecting a niche you're passionate about is crucial for authenticity and sustained motivation. This can range from tech gadgets and fashion to wellness and finance. Next, joining affiliate programs or networks connects you with brands matching your niche. Platforms like Amazon Associates or Commission Junction open doors to countless opportunities, even for newcomers. Creating engaging content is a pivotal step. Whether through blogs, social media, or videos, your goal is to offer genuine insights or solutions. Authentic recommendations can trigger trust, turning viewers into buyers. Tracking performance through analytics helps refine your approach, ensuring continued success. In conclusion, affiliate marketing's allure lies in its adaptability and scalability. Whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone with a knack for communication, it offers an innovative avenue for income. With strategic planning and perseverance, the path to passive earnings is closer than ever, awaiting those ready to embark on this digital journey. Want more proven side hustle ideas? Follow and subscribe now. If you're ready to start earning extra income immediately, www.kill9to5.com.